Imagine buying a car that everyone else thinks is completely useless. A car that looks like it belongs in a junkyard. But instead of walking away, you see potential. What if I told you that a cheap, damaged car could become a beautiful, fully working vehicle and even make you thousands of dollars in profit? Today we are talking about how people buy wrecked cars for cheap and rebuild them into something amazing. And if you stay until the end, I'll show you how beginners can start doing this too. Part 1. Why people buy damaged cars. Many cars end up in auctions or salvage yards because of small accidents, insurance, write-offs, cosmetic damage, flood damage, mechanical issues. But here is the secret most people don't know. Some of these cars are not as damaged as they look. Sometimes the insurance company writes off a car just because repairs are expensive, not because the car cannot be fixed. That means someone smart can buy it very cheaply. Part 2. Where people buy cheap, damaged cars. People usually find these cars in places like insurance auction, salvage yards, online auction websites, government auctions, local classified ads. Some cars sell for 70% to 90% cheaper than their normal market price. For example, a car worth $10,000 might sell for $1,500 if it has damage. Part 3. The rebuilding process. Rebuilding a damaged car usually involves several steps. 1. Inspection. First, the buyer checks what is actually wrong with the car. 2. Planning repairs. They calculate how much the repairs will cost. 3. Buying spare parts. Parts can come from scrap yards, online parts stores, other damaged vehicles. 4. Repair work. This can include body repair, engine work, paint job, interior repairs. 5. Testing the car. After repairs, the car must be tested to make sure everything works properly. Part 4. Why some people make good money doing this. People who rebuild cars can make money in several ways. Sell the car for profit, keep a good car for a very low price, start a car rebuilding business. For example, buy damaged car, $1,200. Repairs, $2,000. Total cost, $3,200. Sell the car, $7,000. Profit, $3,800. Part 5. Risks you should know. This business is not always easy. Some risks include hidden damage, expensive repairs, difficulty getting spare parts, legal paperwork issues. This is why experienced buyers always inspect the car carefully before buying. Turning a damaged car into a working vehicle is like bringing something back to life. It requires patience, knowledge, and smart decisions. But for many people, it has become a profitable business and an exciting hobby. Sometimes the car everyone ignores becomes the best investment you ever make. If you enjoyed this video, like, subscribe, and tell me in the comments. Would you ever buy a damaged car and rebuild it? And stay tuned for the next video where we talk about how beginners can start flipping cars for profit.